Hello everyone, this is Anuta. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I create content on self-improvement, books and lifestyle. So make sure to hit that subscribe button right now if any of these interests you. So the new year is finally here, and first of all wish you all a very happy new year. I hope this year brings you all the prosperity and happiness in your life. I think this is the time of the year where we all are very excited and pumped to form better habits, inculcate better habits and better ourselves this year, and grow much more as a person. This is the goal for most of us. We want to grow more as a person, and I think that includes inculcating better habits. Of course, we don't have to wait for the new year to start to form better habits, but we still tend to do that, and I think that's okay because we're at least trying to better ourselves by forming better habits so that we can grow much more as a person. And especially if you're someone subscribed to my channel, I'm pretty sure you like to improve yourself, you want to indulge yourself in the self-improvement journey. So I think reading is one of those habits that we all want to start, at least we want to do consistently. I personally started reading about an year and a half ago, and I think I've been reading pretty well, but I still haven't gotten very consistent at it. So that is my goal for 2022. Like that, some of you might want to start reading in 2022, or some of you might want to read consistently this year like me. And I think reading is such a great habit that we all should adopt, at least in 2022 if you haven't already. And since I do quite a lot talk about reading on this channel, I got asked by some people to recommend them some books to read in 2022. So I decided to share with you all 5 self-help books that you must read in 2022. If you are a reader, this video is for you, and even if you are still starting out with reading and getting yourself into the habit of reading, this video is still for you because all the books that I'm going to share in this video are very beginner friendly. The language is very simple and it is very simple to understand, though it adds so much value into your life. So don't worry, even if you are a beginner to reading, you can definitely consider reading this book, because all the books that I'm going to share in this video are books that I personally loved reading when I was a beginner. Like I said, it hasn't been that long since I started reading books, but when I was a beginner it was hard for me to decide what to read. But since I had my brother, he recommended me some good books, and I got to read all these books, and all of these books are very beginner friendly, very simple to understand. The language is very simple, so I highly recommend you to check these out. And if you haven't read them already, please consider reading them in 2022. And now, with all that being said, without any further ado, let's get started. So my first self-help book recommendation for 2022 is The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari by Robin Sharma. The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari is written by Robin Sharma, who is an international best-selling author, and I can assure you that you will enjoy reading this book. So this book basically revolves around a conversation between two friends, and one of them being a guy named Julian is a very successful and a very prosperous lawyer. He was very rich, he was famous, he had a big mansion, a private jet, and of course he also had a Ferrari. But still, with all of these, Julian was not very happy. Even though he was a very rich and prosperous lawyer, he was not satisfied, and his stress levels only kept increasing day by day, until one day he finally decided to let all his baggage and get rid of all his baggage and tension and move to the Himalayas. He goes to the Himalayas, and while he was there, his life completely changes and he returns back as a new man and a better man. So he shares all his experiences, his teachings, all the things that he learned while he was there with his friend. So the conversation between those two, Julian sharing all of his teachings and his experiences and the lessons he learned with his friend, is what this book is all about, and it has so much value in it. You can learn so much from it. This is a very, very good book, and this is actually one of the very first few self-help books that I read in my reading journey. I read this book in 2020 when I just started out with reading. My brother recommended this, and I did not regret reading this, not even for a minute. Though I did take quite a long time to read this book. I think that was because there is so much I learned from this, and there was so much realization. I had so many realizations reading this book. I think that's the reason I took quite a while reading this book. But by the time I completed reading this book, I was really happy. I was such a fan of Robin Sharma, and I absolutely loved reading this book. You might have heard that books don't actually teach you anything new, but they simply help you to realize what is already within yourself. I think this is that kind of a book, because though this book taught me so many things and I learned so many things from this book in forms of principles and virtues, I think major part of this book also helps you to realize what is already within yourself. It helps you to question your lifestyle, it helps you to question your purpose, it helps you to question your habits. And I think reading this book also helps you to realize that investing in yourself is the best decision you will ever make, because it not only helps to improve yourself, but it also helps to improve the people around you, and it explains it wonderfully how investing in yourself through your habits, through finding your purpose is important. And like I already said, the language of this book is also very beginner friendly and it is very simple to understand, yet it provides you so much values and it helps you to understand a lot of things, it helps you to learn a lot of things, also realize a lot of things about yourself. So if you want to get started with your self-improvement journey and grow much more as a person, I highly recommend you to read this in 2022 if you haven't already. And my second self-help book recommendation for 2022 is The Ego is the Enemy by Ryan Holiday. This is another really good self-help books out there that you must read in 2022 if you haven't already, because this is definitely one of my most favorite self-help books I have read so far. I actually read this book in 2021 and I loved reading every bit of this book. That's why I also decided to actually film and upload a video sharing all the major highlights or key takeaways from this book. I have uploaded a video where I talked about some major takeaways from this book. Though I learned so many things from this book, I have shared quite a few teachings and few major highlights and key takeaways from this book in my video. So do check the video out if you're interested in knowing more about this book. The link will be in here and also in the description below. We often think that only the girl or the guy in your classroom who walks with attitude, who talks very rude to people is the one who has ego. We think very silly of ego in that way because we think only that those kind of people have ego. But in reality, all of us have ego. It's just that it is in different form. You all have ego, it's just in different forms. And this book really helps you realize that, because a person who keeps on saying that I don't have ego might actually be the person who has ego, right? So like I said, this books really helps you realize so many things about ego and how ego can take place in different forms. And I think this book really helps you understand so many things about ego because through this book, Ryan Holiday has also shared so many real life examples of how the lives of celebrities or how the lives of popular authors, popular other people whose life was destroyed by ego. So there are so many real life examples that you really understand what not to do, how in different forms ego can take place and how to avoid it or how to fight it. By reading this book, you also actually realize that there are already some activities and actions that you're taking which makes you egoistic. We sometimes think that I don't have ego because we don't know that doing that thing represents ego. We don't know that is an egoistic action. But by reading this book, you actually realize that you are already doing certain things which is egoistic, and I realized some things too. So in that way, by reading this book, it also helps you to understand yourself and change yourself and improve yourself for the better. It is never actually possible to completely get rid of ego like it is shared in the epilogue of this book. It is shared that training yourself to deal with ego or training yourself to get rid of ego is like sweeping the floor. Just because you sweep the floor once to get rid of all the dust doesn't mean that it won't accumulate tomorrow. It accumulates again tomorrow. Every day the dust comes back and the floor is never clear forever. So we need to sweep every day. The same applies for ego because ego can be so destroying and we can't imagine the ways in which it can destroy our lives. So it is very important to realize how to deal and manage this beast within us, and I think this book is really helpful for you for that. So I highly recommend you to read this book in 2022 if you haven't already. This is a very good read, so please get your hands on this book in 2022. And my third self-help book recommendation for 2022 is The Think Like a Monk by Jay Shetty. This is another really amazing book that I highly recommend you to read in 2022 if you haven't already, because this is a great book. This provides you so much value. Think Like a Monk is a book by Jay Shetty, who is a storyteller, a podcaster and a former monk. This book exactly has 328 pages. This might seem like a lot, but trust me, when you read this book, this is a very simple and a very good book that you don't feel like it's too much. And since this book is not at all repetitive and it is very well structured, very well curated, you will love reading every minute of this book and you will find it very beginner friendly and very easy to understand. I personally felt like this book has covered various topics like fear, intention, routine, mind, relationships, ego and many more. Though these concepts are not too deeply discussed, it will really help you to understand these concepts much better and add so much value to your life. I think this book really helps you to reframe your mind into a very positive mindset and make positive changes in your life, because all the value and the wisdom in this book helps you to realize a lot of things, and it gives you step-by-step guide to how to become a better person and how to live a mindful living. I think the author has done a great job in presenting all the ways to deal with the real life problems we face in our lives, because in the modern world we live in, all most of us care about is our gadgets. We don't want to think beyond that, but this book really helps you to think beyond that, because this book gives you so much wisdom and steps on how to become a more better person and how to live a mindful life within the chaos and within the world you live in. So this book gives you a lot of practical tips. So I highly recommend you to read this in 2022 if you haven't already, because this book is magic. Everybody can read it, anybody can read it. This book is for everyone. The language is simple, it is beginner friendly, yet it provides you so much value. You will absolutely love reading this book, especially if you are someone who likes to improve yourself, who is always obsessed with growing yourself much more as a person. I highly recommend you to read this book in 2022. And my fourth self-help book recommendation is The Life's Amazing Secrets. I know this is not the newest book, this is quite an old book. It was published 3 years ago, but I think this book never gets old because this is an absolutely amazing book that I highly want you all to read in 2022, at least if you haven't already. This book is written by Gaur Gopal Das, who is a popular monk and a life coach who shares wisdom with millions of people every single day. While navigating their way through the Mumbai's horrible traffic, Gaur Gopal Das and his wealthy young friend Harry get into talking. They delve into different concepts ranging from human condition to finding one's purpose in life and also the key to lasting happiness. Gaur Gopal Das has represented the four wheels of a car like life in a very fascinating way. He has covered all the important parts of an individual's life like personal life, work life, social contribution and relationships. The book as a whole focuses on strengthening your relationship, discovering your true potential and also understanding what are the different sectors of your life and what are the different roles in your life. I personally felt like this book is a complete package of understanding yourself, because like I said, he shares the four main parts of an individual's life. So when you understand all of those different parts of your life, it really helps you to understand your life better and also the way in which you can contribute to the world. And the author has also shared different real life examples of his own life and how he had to deal with certain situations. So reading this book really adds so much positivity into your life and it really helps you to grow much more as a person. You will also find this book very practical because Gaur Gopal Das is having a conversation with his young wealthy friend Harry, and he will ask a lot of questions that you would get because this is real life situation and being very theoretical won't help us while reading a self-help book. But while reading this book you will realize that Gaur Gopal Das has provided so much practical tips which will help you to find purpose and balance in your life. The profound lessons you will find in this book is definitely going to add so much positivity in your life and it is going to help you in so many ways. So I highly recommend you to read this book too in 2022 if you haven't already. And my fifth self-help book recommendation for 2022 is The 4 Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz. This is another really good self-help books that I highly recommend you to read, especially if you're a beginner. Trust me, this is going to be one of the most easiest self-help books that you will ever read. First of all, because this only has 140 pages. Second of all, the language is very simple and it is very easy to understand. It is very beginner friendly. Just like the title of the book says, from this book we can learn the 4 agreements a person should have in his life to live a more happy life and to find freedom in his life. I feel like all the 4 agreements presented in this book are much needed for the real life world we live in. I mean, these are not like too theoretical again. They are applicable, but it is not easy to apply and adopt these 4 agreements in your life. But if you do, definitely it is going to be very helpful because by adopting all these 4 agreements in your life, it really helps you to live a more happy and life with freedom. You will definitely find this book very practical, but adopting these 4 agreements in your life is not going to be easy, but it is going to be worth it if you do so. So I really want you to buy this book and go through all the 4 agreements, read in depth and know what it is like because this really helps you so much to understand how to live a life with freedom, how to live a life full of confidence. Because like I said, you will not find this book too repetitive or theoretical. There's a lot of practical steps in this book and you will definitely enjoy reading this book. So I highly recommend you to read this book too in 2022 if you haven't already. And that pretty much wraps up today's video. I really hope you liked watching this video. If you are a reader, I hope this was helpful so that you can add some more books to read list. Even if you are someone who is starting out reading in 2022, I'm really happy that you are making efforts to start reading. And I really hope that you will consider reading all of the books I shared in this video because all these books are beginner friendly, yet they provide so much value into your life and they have a very positive influence in your life. So also make sure to share this video with your friends and family and comment down below if you want me to film any other videos particularly, and I will definitely consider filming them. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you.